Hello and welcome. Today we're going to, in this video, we're going to learn about computer applications 1 practical, November 2021. So the code of this paper is 1920 102B, craft certificate in IT. Okay, so let's do it. Task 1. So open a word processing program and apply the following page settings on the open document. Okay, so after opening a word processing program, word processing program is any program that can process word. That's the meaning of a word processing program. Okay, so page orientation is landscape, so page layout, so orientation landscape. Okay, so page margins 10 mm all round, so page margins 10 mm. So we can change, go to custom, so it is 10 millimeters, so you have to change it to millimeters. Don't forget to change these things. So it is 10. Everywhere it's 10. Okay, now this one, I think there's a problem. This thing cannot. Okay, let's do it again. Custom, so it is millimeters. And then okay, so what the paper size A4, so size A4. Okay, and then now we are done. This, you're already done with these 2 marks. Now we are going to create a data source as it appears on the open document. So we are going to create a table in this document that we just edited. So how many rows are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. So it is 4 by 5. It is 5 by 4. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 by 4. Okay, so it's go to insert and make sure there is nothing. Insert table 5 by 4. 5 by 4. Okay, to inserting the table, now you write everything. We're going to write this inside the table. Okay, now let's write them. So after filling it up, it will look something like this. Yeah, so save it. Now we're going to save it as a start list. sort list. Okay, save. So now let's do the formatting. So the first row is bold. I think that's the only formatting here. So we go to the next question. Open our processing program and create the following main document as it appears. Save it as certificate. Okay, so now we're going to create a certificate. Now it's a new program. So new blank we're going to insert a shape. These are shapes, so shape this one, then we're going to create something like that. Yeah, and then we're going to insert this. Yep, like that. Now you make them, fill them, you don't fill them, no color, and then you make the outline black. Also this one, outline black, fill, no color. Okay, so you see everything I've written inside here, it cannot be seen because it does not have a color, so you have to put it in black. Okay, so and then we put them into capital, and then like that. Or you can also put a text box, so you can insert a text box here and write, and then put it in bold, in capital letters, and then increase its size. See, up to there. Okay, and then put it in the middle. And then the text box, you have to make sure it has an outline. Go to drawing tools, outline, no line. Oops. Okay. So after doing that, now you're going to write serial number. This one, serial number is 0. So you have to know how to use this alignment. So as you can see here in serial number, it is in the far right. So you see this one is left, center and right. So I'm going to write, okay, serial number. Let's increase it up to 12. Okay, and it should be in times. So here you insert the merge fields. So references, mail, merge, insert merge field. No, open data source first. So you have to open the data source first before you do those other things. Here it is. Okay, so you open it. Now we go to insert merge field. So serial number is this one. So when you look at this, first let me show you something. When you look at here, they have written serial number, so there is no way it will come like this. So it will just write serial number like that. I think they are just shortened it, but that's how it is. When you write it directly, it will not work. It cannot work. It will never work. So this is the best way. Double click, see? So that's it. And then we go to the next. So we want to write certificate of participation. Okay. So certificate of participation. Okay, it's in bold, so yeah, and it is pretty large. It's very large actually. Okay, so we put it in the middle. Yeah, so and then now we want to write. So after writing that, don't forget to return to the font size 12. Now we want to write this certificate. Added to. So we go to mailings, insert merge field, name, and then I continue. Off, insert merge field, institution. Okay, and then continue. For reaching the finals at the music at the national music festivals. In category, so category you also insert merge field, correct. So now we're done. So let's see. Now we have two signatures and this one. So this is just a picture you insert. You'll be given this picture by your Knec supervisor or invigilator. So going to write director, and then we'll sign director of co-curricular activities, and then this other one. So as I told you earlier, you can change these things. So after that I will write ministry representative, the same line. You can also move with this. Okay, yeah. So ministry representative. Okay. Okay, that's good. So we are going to sign. So insert, sign. So you can just sign anything, any sign. It's not that a big deal. I just sign, put your sign here. Okay, still big, so it should fit. Okay, so another sign here. So let's create a signature. So let's create one. So let's say it's this. Okay, so scale it down, then put it here. Okay, see, now you have two. Okay, after creating the signatures and everything, so we are going to the next question: create customized certificates for each of the following of the participants using the main document and data source. Set the merge field as our certifs in the Knec exam folder. So basically we are done. So let's do that. So you go to mailings, merge to new documents, merge all records, and then we'll see. Now you see serial number. This certificate is awarded to off for reaching held in Nairobi in solo bus. This is for Millicent. So the next one is, yeah, so it goes on like that. So there is something I've forgotten. I don't know if you have seen it. So I've forgotten this. See this page border. So I'm going to create that page border here. So we go to page layout, page border. It's a box. So okay, so let's do it now. Go to mailings and merge to new document all. Yeah, oh, that's good, that's better, it looks good, eh? So for more videos, look at the playlist and revise accordingly. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video.